Introducing Hayat Flora, where modern life meets nature.
Built on 92,000 square meter area, having 70% green land and containing 21 blocks.
Offering 1,384 residences, 45 commercial units, with options from 1+1 to duplex. Each home has its own private storage and parking.
After investment with this project, you can enjoy exclusive facilities like open swimming pool, gym, sauna, Turkish hammam, meeting room, as well as children playground area. 24/7 security and car parking is already here.
It's just 5 minutes away from Metro Marmaray Station, 5 minutes from Tema World and Millet Bahçesi, and also 13 minutes to Istanbul New Airport.
If you invest with multimulkint consultancy, you can have a flexible payment plan. Paying 50% down payment, you can get 24 months installment plan. And do remember that 1% value added tax is already included in the price. With citizenship package, you can have 2+1 with best lake view. Although the project is under construction and will be delivered in April 2027, but still it is suitable for citizenship.
So if you're interested and want to invest in this beautiful project, give us a call on WhatsApp now.